right, welcome to the relationship show. This one is on getting your girlfriend to be comfortable with you. So this guy writes, how can I make my girlfriend comfortable enough to take her top off during sex? How can I, a 21-year-old man, make my girlfriend, a 21-year-old female, comfortable enough to take her top off during sex? She allows me to push her top off over her chest, but she won't take it off. I've seen her topless when we shower and bathe together, but during sex, she keeps her top on no matter what. She's a little self conscious about her shoulders, which have some acne scars, but I don't know if that's the case. I just want her to be comfortable. Any ideas? So, that could be it. With the information here, if that's what you're providing, that's what you think it is, that could be true that she's insecure about acne scars on her shoulders. Um, to solve this, it wouldn't necessarily be in that moment of sex. It's almost like, how are you showing up in the other areas of your life? And so she already knows the situation. You don't have to point it out to her that, hey, don't take your top off during sex. She already knows because she's resisting you. You're trying to take her top off, and then she's just like saying, no, leave it on. It's probably like there's probably a moment in there that's kind of like a little bit awkward or something. And so she'll recognize it. And what you got to do is you got to show up in daily life, and you got to make her feel safe and comfortable with you. That basically, if she can trust you with her insecurities, then you won't use them against her. Maybe she had someone in the past do that. Maybe not. Maybe it's just some other reason, but she needs to be able to know that she can trust you with with her insecurities. And so just be prepared for that. Just keep having sex normal, and then just like um, when she brings up insecurities, like even a little thing, stop what you're doing and then just be totally okay with that insecurity in her. And it's almost like she might do that to test and see if then she can bring up the shoulder acne issue or whatever the issue may be. So just be prepared for that. Be strong in that sense. Be prepared for her to test you in that and bring it up just in like little gradual things. And when you pass those tests, when you're totally okay and totally accepting of her as a person, then you might try again taking her bra